It's Grandma Carol Lee here, ready to read you another book. Today we're going to read Too Many Monkeys. A Counting Rhyme, illustrated by Kelly Oshley. One little monkey wondering what to do. Another monkey joins him. Now there are two. Two little monkeys climbing up a tree. One monkey joins them. Now there are three. Three little monkeys knocking at the door. One monkey joins them. Now there are four. Four little monkeys about to take a dive. One monkey joins them. Now there are five. Five little monkeys looking for the ticks. One monkey joins them. Now there are six. Six little monkeys. The bravest one is Kevin. One monkey joins them. Now there are seven. Seven little monkeys. Down the hill they skate. One monkey joins them. Now there are eight. Eight little monkeys climbing up a vine. One monkey joins them. Now there are nine. Nine little monkeys swinging high, and then one monkey joins them, and that makes 10. 10. Too many monkeys. They all fall on the ground. 10 laughing monkeys. What a funny sound. 10 little monkeys sitting down to dine. One monkey leaves them. Now there are 9. 9 little monkeys, all but one feel great. That monkey leaves. Now there are 8. 8 little monkeys, the strongest one is Kevin. One monkey leaves them. Now there are 7. 7 little monkeys, up to a brand new trick. One monkey leaves them. Now there are 6. 6 little monkeys eating honey from a hive. One monkey leaves them. Now there are 5. 5 little monkeys racing to the shore. One monkey leaves them. Now there are 4. 4 little monkeys sailing on the sea. One monkey leaves them. Now there are 3. 3 little monkeys. What a sorry crew. One monkey leaves them. Now there are only 2. 2 little monkeys still on the run. One monkey leaves, and now there is just 1. That little monkey, monkey number 1, goes home to his mommy. Now there are none. Hope you enjoyed that. I love you. It's Grandma Carol Lee. Bye-bye.